this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Raypak gas heaters, models 206A through models 407A. And these model numbers signify the BTU of this heater. So this is a 266,000 BTU heater. And all the heaters feature this nice, easy to use digital panel here. You can raise and lower the temperature. You can also change the mode of the heater. And here's the on-off switch. And included with the heater are the installation and operation instructions. Also included are two CPVC unions for the heater. And if you need to access the inside of the heater, the front panel easily comes off. And if you ask anyone in the service industry if you want a heater that's going to be trouble-free for years and fire up all the time when you turn it on, the Raypak heater is the way to go. So this makes repairing this heater very easy and convenient. And if you install the Raypak heater at a residential pool, it comes with a 2-year warranty. And if it's part of a new build or new construction, it comes with a 3-year warranty. One of the unique features is the ProTek Shield. We're going to show you that on the other side of the heater. And the ProTek Shield is the cutting edge module that sits in the header of the heater and protects the heat exchange from corrosion. So this heater is great for saltwater pools. And to add to the durability of this heater, it features a polymer header. And inside the heater, it features a specially designed fin tube heat exchange. And Raypak also makes low NOx certified models of all their heaters. And this means with the digital gas low NOx pool and spa heaters, the air-fuel mixture is maintained by the gas valve blower system, which allows the heater to always burn clean and safe. This meets the safety standard regulations required in Texas, California, and Utah. And let me show you the heater's control panel and operation. It's very easy and simple. And I like the dedicated on-off switch. This will prevent you from leaving the heater on by accident and running up a very large gas bill. Once you turn the heater on, this mode button will switch between pool and spa mode. You can set a set temperature in the pool mode and also the spa mode by hitting the arrow key up or down on a control panel. If you're switching modes, hit the mode button, it'll go to off, and then hit the mode button again, and it'll go to spa. And then you can set the set temperature on your spa the same way you did for your pool with the up and down arrow keys to raise and lower the temperature. And when the heater reaches the set temperature, it'll turn itself off. And when it drops below the set temperature, it'll turn itself back on. So if you're looking for a reliable and easy to use heater, the Raypak heaters would be a great choice. And they're also backed by a great warranty. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963. Providing quality products and services to make pool care easy, and solutions and expertise to do it right.